bright out here. But welcome back. I know I haven't posted in probably since April, and it's currently July 28th. Yeah, July 28th. There we go, better, that's better. Alright, got a new camera. But yeah, I haven't posted since July 28th. And today, I'm going to be doing some cat prep. Even though I have a few months, but that is the daily. As you see, new scenery. I moved to Florida. So yeah, today we'll be doing some wheel stuff. I don't think I'll be doing suspension. I don't really feel like it, but it's hot. It's like 90 something degrees outside. But yeah, just taking you guys along to do some wheel stuff. I know you guys haven't seen the car in a minute probably, so hold on. Put y'all on some new stuff. Still got the wheels. LEDs, still clean. Car's a little filthy. I haven't driven it in a few days. You can see it. It's a little bitty water spots all over the car. But yeah, wheels still shining. Some stuff has happened to the car, but I haven't driven it in a few days. But yeah, got a new license plate. Literally came in like Friday. Says shit, doesn't plate. But yeah, honestly, I don't know if the car's gonna start. Yeah, it's hot in there too. Golly, it's hot. So today, or right now, I'm about to actually put those wheels on. Put those on so I can rebuild the rears. But I'm not gonna mismatch it, so I'm just gonna take all four of the stocks, put them on. Hopefully the car moves with the camber. It should. We'll move it back a little in the shade. But yeah. As you can see, it's been a little bit kind of a cold start on stock exhaust, I guess. But yeah, man, we're gonna fix this fitment, this doo-doo fitment. You know, I really could just probably go lower and it literally solve all the problems, but we're gonna fix the doo-doo fitment. More camber in the rear. That's today's focus. Is adding camber in the rear, because this side is rubbing. That's not cool. Dope, where your mom at? My mom. Hold on. There we go. There we go.
On the money. You ain't talking money, I don't hear you. You ain't gotta touch my own feet. That's true. That's true. Boy, I'm about my stuff.
Alright, so first thing first, we're gonna fix this door. I need to fix the door because it's squeaking. Hopefully this works. I tried this a few times and it works for like 3 weeks. So you hear that? Yeah, that's no bueno. So typically what I do, yeah, so fix that. Well, like that. So I typically just shake that, spray all the jams. Oh, it's just auto spraying. Love that. That's cool. Yeah, so do that. Fixed. Great. I'm satisfied now. Now to take the wheels off and put the shocks on. Yeah, now to take the wheels off and put the stocks on. Kind of a cool car. It's not gonna be so cool in a second. Alright, it's hot. I only took one wheel off, and so pretty good. Hold on. Tread's not bad. Still have life. So the fronts are staying on for gap. I'm just gonna lower it, maybe slot it some more, And then the rears I'm taking off, rebuilding. My new barrels are literally should be here any minute. So I'm gonna go to the tire shop, take those off, take the wheel apart, clean the wheel, figure out it, and order the tires, get them mounted. So
yeah.
Tire life kind of mid. I might just flip. Nah, yeah, I'm just gonna end up flipping these because I'm gonna use the rears as spares for the front. If that makes sense. So I just end up using this side. I mean, I still could probably get another 3 weeks of daily driving out of this maybe, but yeah, I'm just gonna flip it for the fronts.
Still trying to deal with them devils. It's harder and harder to fight and repent it. I'm growing too fast and I'm stressing. Wish I had time to sit for a minute. This is a brand new Lexus. You catch me flying somewhere out west. He ain't no way that you headed, I promise. He want a problem, we probably can solve it. He came with me, then I won't leave without him. So me and my partner like that.
So I'm actually gonna see if the car will move on the stocks, or if I'm gonna have to pull the camper out, which I'm hoping I don't. Because I know in the front it'll move with the tilt. There's like no good lighting over here. I know in the front it'll move with no tilt, but the rear is more so what I'm worried about. Jesus Christ. Yeah, the rear is more what I'm worried about. But, so yeah, I know the front will move with tilt on stocks. I think I drove it for like 3 months like that, 2 months. But the rear, I don't know. And I don't really want to pull the tilt, but I'm probably going to have to. I mean, it's nothing crazy, but you can definitely see that it's tilted in. The front's tilted into, but yeah, so I might have to. If I do, I do. If I don't, I don't. But, alright, so about to run the test. We're gonna see if it works. I'm hoping it works. I moved it a little, kind of forgot to torque my wheels, so they kind of released, but we're gonna go forward. Feels fine. I have like a 30-40 minute drive to the tire shop. So yeah, I don't hear anything. So it should be good. Let's get the last look of the car on the wheels. Will be messy. Coming back. Forget. Maybe sooner. That's what we have right here. Triple chrome. LXZs. Fire. Love these wheels. But yeah. Sorry if I sound like I'm out of breath. I'll get back to you guys when I'm finished. Whew. Okay. Oh, I got sweat in my eye. Alright, so car's done. I look crazy. Car's done. Hold on. Give me a second. No, you can't tell. There you go. There you go. There you go. Right there. Car's done. Car moves. It is literally so hot. I had to get this big jumbo with a bob. But yeah, car's done for now. Like I said, I'm about to go to the tire shop and get 2 of the tires dismounted. So the ones on the rear are gonna get dismounted pretty much. And then I'm saving the tires that were on the rear for the front, and I'm probably just gonna flip them. But yeah, I don't know what the next clips are gonna be. I'm kind of just yapping right now, but I don't know what the next clips are gonna be. But yeah. Cool little beamer. Cool little beamer. But yeah, I'm like 5 minutes away. Yeah, that's better. Got the wheels back there. Jumbo with the bobs. Yeah, so I'm like 5 minutes away. Jesus Christ. 5 minutes away. Yeah. Like I said, I'm gonna get 2 tires dismounted. The ones in the trunk are gonna get dismounted. And I guess I'll just keep the tires in the front seat on the drive back. Oh god, they shit on my bumper. Keep the tires in the passenger seat. And probably get some grub, because I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Very hungry, very hungry. Praying and hoping they don't inside clamp my reverse mounted wheels. Oh, that's fire. Y'all see that? Hold on. My zoom in all that truck right there. Right there. That's fine. I need a truck like that. Alright, so it's another day. I think the last time I filmed it was like the 28th. It's the 31st. Oh, it's hot. So far, all I did was take all the stuff out. New barrels, wheels, punch up my toolbox, barrels, wheels. So, yeah. Let's get to this side. Alright, so first wheel, still not I haven't broke the seal yet, but I loosened all the bolts on the rear. New barrels, tiny. Here's a quick look. 7.5, so it should be a 9 wide at the end. Right now it's an 11 wide. Yeah, I'm hoping I got the right size. If you know, you know. Last time I ordered the wrong size outer lip barrels, and then I misgapped because of it. So hopefully this time I got the right ones. Pretty much for that. Car looks kind of boring, but yeah, keep going. I'm gonna break this seal off, take all the screws out. Like I said, they're already loose, and then yeah, we'll keep going. Yeah, alright, so pretty much I'm gonna call it a day. All I did was take all the wheels apart, clean the outer barrels, the outer lips, just to prep them. I still gotta get the old residue off the back of it, so I'll probably get like a sanding brush and use my Dremel and kind of just clean it up. The old barrels, I don't know what I'm doing. I still have to swap the sensors over. So I have to swap the sensors over into the new barrels, but so far, for now, I'm just gonna call it a day. Call it a day. It's kind of hot. It's like 100 degrees out here. I've been out here for like 2 hours. So, covered in tires still. But yeah, it's hot. I'm hungry. I had work earlier today, so pretty much just hot, tired. I'm gonna get some food, take a shower, and relax for the rest of the day. I'm off tomorrow, so I might finish tomorrow, but I don't know when this video is actually gonna be done. I'm just hoping I have enough good clips, but yeah. Wheels should be done. End of this video.